Maybe it's just me, and maybe it's still too early to say for sure, but it honestly feels like Samsung is putting more energy into making the Galaxy S26 Pro and S26 Edge stand out rather than going all in on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you've been paying attention over the past 6 months, you already know the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been a massive success, way more so than the standard S25 or the S25 Plus. Even with that premium price tag, the Ultra model has consistently outsold its more affordable siblings right from launch, continuing a trend we've seen in recent Galaxy S generations. So naturally, you'd expect Samsung to double down on the S26 Ultra, the crown jewel of their non-foldable lineup, but oddly enough, it feels like they're easing off the gas a little when it comes to the Ultra this time around. Sure, on paper, the S26 Ultra will charge faster than last year's model. 60W beats 45W, no argument there. And that alone might be enough to keep die-hard Samsung fans happy, especially those who have no intention of switching to brands like Motorola or OnePlus and can't officially get their hands on Xiaomi, Honor, Vivo, or Realme phones in their country. But let's be real, competition still matters, even if it's mostly outside the US. And Samsung can't just pretend those aggressive Chinese brands don't exist. The list of challengers keeps growing, and it's not just packed with premium $1,000 plus flagships either. There are plenty of alternatives out there that are making waves, and Samsung knows it.